Hey guys, this is Mason from AR500 Armor. We're out here at the range today to test out one of our new targets. We get a lot of people talking throughout the year about a possible California version of Brexit, or Calexit as we like to call it. So we put our best engineers at AR500 Armor on it, and we came up with a target that we think would be a pretty good representation of what that would look like. So we're going to take a minute today to test that out, and so we can give you guys a good simulation of what a Calexit would look like. We're going to use a couple different rounds to do that through a couple different weapons. First, we're just going to, your run-of-the-mill ARs, put some 5.56 through it. Today we're going to be shooting 55 grain American Eagle, just ball ammunition, nothing super crazy. We're going to try these out, see what that does. I'm joined by my lovely assistant here, so we're going to start out and just put a couple rounds on the target and see where we're at from there. And then, if that doesn't do it, we'll move on to a slightly bigger caliber and see where that gets us. So let's go ahead and do some shooting then. Well, it looks like California's still holding in there. Let's step it up a notch and see where that gets us. Alright, so we're going to shoot it with some 7.62 by 39, good old AK-47 round, nothing crazy. Just some 124 grain lead core steel cased ammunition. My lovely assistant here is going to put a few rounds on it and we'll see what that does. What a malfunction in an AK. Impossible. Yeah, that might be a magazine issue. But you know what, either way, I think we're going to go ahead and step it up a little bit. That we whacked it a couple times and didn't really seem to do too much damage. Let's see what we can do with our next lineup. Alright guys, so for this next one, we're going to step it up to some 308, just some good old American XM80. 149 grain 308, we'll see what that does. The weapons we're going to be running this stuff through. First up, we got an M14 or an M1A dropped in an EBR chassis. A little more precision than we typically get with an AK-47 with an AR-15. So we'll see what this does for us. Over there we got a PTR, which is a clone of a G3, also chambered in 308, another really good traditional historical battle rifle. So we'll put some rounds through these on the target and we'll see what that does for us. Yay! Alright, well it looks like 5.56 didn't quite do it. 7.62 by 39 didn't quite do it. But some good old 308 seemed to do just fine. Let's go take a look at the target and see what kind of damage we did here. right? Not too shabby. Yeah, pretty clean break. And the nice thing is, we went from having one target to two. A little added bonus in there for you. Sorry, Nevada. Our bad. California, on the other hand, some pretty decent hits in here. But, I mean, we made the target out of the same steel we do all our other targets, so it's 1/2 inch. Not a whole lot of pitting really on the steel, just some clean breaks where we put our little attachment points in there. Overall, not a bad simulation, guys. So if you're ever wondering what a California exit from the United States or Calexit would look like, we think this is a pretty good representation of what that break would be like. All right, guys, so you saw what we did to the Calexit target, as we like to call it. Here's the finished product after we put about, I don't know, 60 rounds of 308, probably 40 rounds of 5.56, 20, 30 rounds of 7.62 by 39 AK ammunition. Bam, we broke it off. That's a successful simulation, I like that. And because of the new 3-hole design on these bad boys, yeah, you get 2 targets for the price of 1, right? Sorry, Nevada, by the way. But California, I mean, you know what you did. So all in all, guys, I think a pretty successful thing. We'd like to see you guys post some videos up of you shooting the Calexit target. Let's see if you can maybe do some more precision than we did and try and get just the joining right here on the San Andreas fault line. Maybe you can get it to fall off a little faster than we are. We'd be happy to see those videos if you guys want to send them in. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We're all over the gram and such. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know, let us have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.